Hi. Sue?
Sue and Vince. We're down in Key West. We're going to bring you along with us, take you to some of the places we're going to go. We're going to go listen to some live entertainment, visit a few establishments. We're going to have to go catch our ride. We've got a shuttle bus that we're riding to Old Town. We're staying in Newtown at Fairfield Inn. This is day 2. We didn't get to film day 1 because when we got here, our room wasn't ready. We were a little bit early, so we checked our bags and we went to the pool bar and met some people and ended up
having a few cocktails?
Yeah, and we had a good time.
On an empty stomach and jet lag.
So we forgot about filming. So now it's day 2 and come along with us. We're gonna go get our ride. We're gonna head downtown or to Old Town and see what we get into.
See ya.
I'll be coming for you anyway. Take on me, take on me, take me on, take on me, be gone, empty on, take on me, take on me, take me on, take on me, I'll be gone. On the very low version.
So we're here at the Square Wharf. I don't know how easy you can hear me and that with the music playing. But we got a couple beverages here. Sue got a, what'd you got? Pina colada, key lime colada, and I got the rum runner. And right now I'm feeling like I've been unburdened by what has been. You know what I mean?
You took my dreams.
Did you tell him I got cracked?
When I first found
Not yet.
I kept him with me, babe.
Me?
Yeah,
I'm getting conked.
yeah. She couldn't wait to get conked.
I didn't get conked last time we were here. I'm getting conked. I got key lime colada, which is almost good. Well, it's maybe better than key lime pie. It's alcohol.
Singing, gone away, babe. Thank you, sir. And the bells, they were ringing out.
So I guess when you're in Key West, you gotta have key lime. So we're having a little bit of key lime pie after our dinner here at Schooner Wharf. Our dinner was delicious, and the key lime pie is amazing. Very good.
From a little part of Ireland called Kildare.
This is a view of off the deck behind the schooner. That's where we had our lunch and everything. Schooner Wharf Bar. And if you happen to go on any of these boats, go out and go fishing, you come back with your catch, they'll cook it here for you. Over across the way is the Conch Bar and Restaurant. Sitting here on the water. Gorgeous. A lot of boats. So I had a burger and fries. Sue had to have her conch. She hadn't had any conch.
I got my conch.
She got her conch. And then we had some key lime pie, and that was delicious.
Oh yeah.
Very creamy.
I'm happy. Wow. Look at the size of some of those.
Yeah.
I want to figure out what this is, what street up here. Doesn't say anything on it, but it's in the corner.
Oh yeah. So this is Jimmy Buffett's recording studio. Right here in the water. And then over there is the Conch restaurant. Bunch of charter boats if you want to get your fishing on.
You see people pouring a beer
And there's Kermit's Key Lime Pie. Probably the most famous key lime down here in Key West. Okay, here we are at Whitehead. Sue's standing over at the beginning. US 1, the mile marker is at 0. Here we are with the Green Parrot. We come down to listen to some live music. That's going to be starting a little bit later. Some people that are staying at the hotel where we're at, they know the band. They're coming here, and we told them we'd meet them here for a drink or two. So we'll see how that goes.